What's up, family? It's your gay cousin O, and I'm back again. I'm doing a mukbang, same thing. Okay, it's like 1 o'clock, and I ain't ate nothing. So I had washed my face and stuff. Got a little water right here. I got my apron. I don't know if I want to put that on yet. So I'm looking at the food weird, y'all, because I be trying to make sure, because somebody else got food too. So I'm trying to make sure it ain't their food. Anyway, I look crusty. It's okay. I'm gonna eat these crusty crabs. Okay. Should've got a fork so I could like, cause it's hot. That's why I should've got a fork. Cause it's hot, y'all. It's hot. But I ain't posting nothing in like 2 weeks. Oh, here go the gloves. Okay. The gloves that come in the purring box. I ain't posted nothing in like 2 weeks. Yeah, it might be too big. I ain't posted nothing in like 2 weeks because it's call it how it is. I've been a funk. I've been lazy. I got 2 cups. I got cran, mango, and I got water. Who water be hitting, y'all? I got cookout because Chick-fil-A line was too long. Got a little crab, little shrimp, little eggs. I don't really eat the eggs. Little potato, little sausage, little corn. Just your little typical stuff. Hold on. Oh, it ripped, baby. I can't wear that if I wanted to. It ripped. What I'm gonna do? Just sit it up. It ripped. Anyway. I don't got no bag to put the open up the bill and put my shells over there. Cause I probably eat all this right now. Oh, my eye itching. Anybody else eye itch when you eat hot stuff, like you just want to stretch it? Alright, anyway. I'm gonna talk to y'all about something. I don't know yet though. I do know what I want to talk to y'all about. So today is Thursday. I'm recording this on Thursday. And I want to know, the gloves have to come out. They ain't doing nothing for me. And I want to know, did y'all see on the Shade Room? First of all, I watched Married Boot Camp. I watched Married Boot Camp. Did y'all see the little clip that was on Shade Room? Really, Tahiri, old dude or whatever, trying to choke her. I read the comments, but what had me shook the most is the rest of them men. They just sitting there looking. Nobody do nothing. Dr. Ish took to his Twitter, and he was like, everybody was shocked. Nah. I know shocked versus unbothered. And them boys, they was unbothered. They boys to me. Okay. That's just a prime example of how black women are not protected in our community. Elbows, Ashley, good God. Anyway. But our black women are not protected. And Tahiri's reaction to it lets me know this is nothing out the ordinary. And my thing is, if you can do that in front of everybody, then this shirt has been through the wire. Yeah, it's been there. But I put it on because I'm about to eat. But yeah. So here it just sat there like this ain't nothing new. She just like one of them things, well, that's somebody else see this shit. But so here, if you still with him, baby girl, you need to leave. What Eve said, love is blind, blind, blind. Okay? Hope I ain't smacking too much. But I was good them. I don't see how y'all see them. Y'all probably can't see them. No. That bit looks so good. That bit look good. My hands got dirty. I need to take a thumbnail. Look at God, that juice is burning me. That juice is burning me, y'all. That thumbnail gonna have to do. But they just sat there like they ain't see nothing wrong with him jumping up and putting his hands around her throat. Like I said, today is Thursday. The episode will air tonight. And I will be watching it. But y'all watching the season anyway. I've been watching Married Boot Camp since they first started for the Bridezillas. So, excuse me, y'all. Y'all know how y'all get the little line on the sausage and you just be chewing and chewing and chewing. I ain't got time. So, this place is good too, y'all. I'm going to Charlotte next week, and I see some good seafood places there. I'm trying to check them out. But yeah, and you know what? To be honest, I ain't expect that from him. Because until that point, he been very like in the middle. Yeah. In that clip that they showed, and I'm gonna try to find that clip and try to insert it like round long here somewhere. If I can't find it, you know, I didn't find it, I'm gonna keep eating. But Willie is on there on that season. I didn't see Willie in that clip that they showed on Share Room, but I don't think Willie would have just sat there. But he might be in the clip. I'm gonna watch the episode tonight. I could be wrong. But that right there, and then some people was on there talking about some. I ain't gonna say people. I seen one black girl, one African American girl. She was like, she do got a smart mouth though. Like, what? Like, what? That whole statement to me was just like, and then some dude was like, I get tired of y'all bashing people for not jumping in other people's business. No, sir. No, sir. If they having an argument and you stand out of it, that's different. But when it comes to physical altercation, where a man jumps up and puts his hand around a woman's throat, and wonder why black women sit here and say that they are not protected. And it's a fact. It's nothing that nobody's making up. It's a fact. Black women are not protected. And I have a bad feeling that if it was a mixed woman or a woman or another race, all them boys would have jumped up. Is it her name Phaedra? I think her name Phaedra. She on there with her man. Her man sat there, his face, none of his muscles in his face moved, so That don't sit right with me. Hazel E little boyfriend. Ooh, my shirt dropped. Anyway, Hazel E. That's gonna bother me. Okay. I ain't no better. Hazel E little boyfriend. He got bad little temp on him too. Drake said 0 to 100 real quick. He got Drake beat. He got bad little temp on him too. Yes, he do. Because it was one little episode, the episode before this one that's gonna air tonight. She was on the phone. I think she was on the phone with her sister. Anyway, he went in there, snatched her up out the bed, got the phone. I don't know, y'all. That's not. I can't condone that. Like I said, y'all arguing. I know couples argue. That ain't none of my business. Let y'all argue, you know what I'm saying? But when it comes to a physical altercation, let's be clear. It's a very, very big difference between being abusive and self-defense. She ain't hit that man. She ain't swing on that man. Really, she was expressing her truth, and his feelings was hurt. And just like most boys that pretend to be men, when they feelings hurt, they lash out physically, because that's the only way they can feel some type of control. Hey, young girl. Yeah, I was shook. I was shook, man. I watched that clip about 7 times. I was like, I think it was some cranberry. I don't know about y'all, but my drink got to match my food. What I mean by that is it's like some chips in a sandwich. You know when you have your bologna sandwich, when you have your ham sandwich, your turkey sandwich, you know what chips you like to eat with that. When you go get your sub, you know what chips go good with your sub. I got my food. I know what drink go good with my food. And all this, it look like I got. Oh, okay. I'm about to say, I look like I had grease all up there. Anyway, oh yeah, let's talk about this hair right quick. So, all around is cut because I went to a barber and he spray painted my whole head. Like, he spray painted my whole head, y'all. I kid you not. I wiped the spray paint off, he ain't cutting out a piece of my hair. He would have just spray painted a tape on it. Spray painted looked like he made it. It was just so uneven, it was tacky. So I shaved everything off and I'm making my hair grow back again. And I'm gonna go back to my regular barber. I know y'all like, why you went to another barber anyway? Because my regular barber wasn't in town. I had somewhere to be, and my hair, I had got a retwist, and it was just looking crazy, right? A retwist with the afro on the side, it was looking crazy. So my hairstylist, she was like, oh, somebody coming to the shop to cut hair, he do good. Yes, I seen this man work on Facebook, and it was looking good. Got my head, baby. I don't know if he was, I don't know. I ain't even making no excuse with that man. He won't touch my head again. He will not touch my head again. He will not touch my head again. Won't do it. But damn, what was I talking about, y'all? I should have asked for extra potato. I love potatoes, y'all. They can keep these sausages, but potato and corn, I love it. There wasn't no sauce on it, y'all. Hold on. But yes, girl. Yes, y'all. I say that because I hang around a lot of girls. I'm like, yes, girl. I be doing it to my daddy. Yes, girl. He look at me like, I'm like, you know who you are. Shit. I'm just real brazy out here. I ain't in no game. Oh, I can see my auntie come calling me now. Brazy? Where you get that mess from? Brazy? But, so y'all, I still can't believe Nicki Minaj pregnant. I don't know, I feel like she would have had a baby with Safari when they was together. Like, I really felt like they was gonna have a baby. But then they broke up and she got with me. I was like, surely they gonna have a baby. Nope. Nope. Whatever happened to Rihanna and Drake? What they got going on? And y'all have y'all celebrities that like y'all want to date and they don't date. See, sometimes these gloves be working my nerve. Taking all this to get this shell off. But this food is really good. I'm really hungry. It's like 1 o'clock, 1:30. I ain't ate since like 12 o'clock last night. Don't come for me while I'm eating so late. I was starting. Oh God, God, fix it, Jesus. I got her. Ooh, y'all know Moesha, 1-on-1, half and half, girlfriend, sister. Missing something. All that coming to Netflix. I'm gonna be watching it. They can put Living Single on there. Living Single, but that's on Hulu, so I'll watch it on there. I would have thought they would have put a different word back on there. You know, I might not want to put it on there, cause Bill Cosby's son produced that, but that his son, ain't him. But right now, I'm in the middle on BET Plus. I'm in the middle of watching House of Pain. Janine just got out of rehab, y'all. Ain't God good? When you do it, girl, open up the crowd. Y'all have to forgive me how I eat, cause I really been saving these crabs for last. Oh wow. I cannot stand for my crab legs to taste like sea salt. I can't stand it, y'all. Damn. I cannot stand, and it don't look like, so the meat right here, all that empty. Crab won't get his nutrients. I cannot stand for my crab to taste like sea salt. Like, one time I had some crab from place, and I opened up the shell, and it wasn't no juice. It was just plain seawater. Just hit me in my mouth. Now I'm like, ooh, y'all didn't watch this all. I'm like, y'all ain't watch this all. So when I be eating these, who else be trying to get this meat out perfect? I have my moments like on and off where I try to get out perfect. These gloves gonna fuck it up for me. Ooh, yes. How they do? How the YouTubers do, y'all? Shit, they ain't do nothing anyway. Anyway, it came out for me. I don't know if y'all can see it. Well, I can see it. But yeah, girl. Yeah. I don't know why I keep saying that. Yeah, girl. I know why. I have a lot of girly girl friends, y'all. I don't really hang with like studs like that. Like, I feel like they always trying to be in a competition. Like, please. They ain't in competition with nobody. I'm really not. Like, I'm not saying it to be cocky. Like, I'm saying it because I don't like them friendships where it's a competition. I don't like that. That ain't for me, y'all. Like, I get along better with films, like, and that can cause for studs. It's like, okay, if you date a stud and they got a lot of film friends, does that cause insecurities? You ain't got a lot of me, because I know it do. I know it causes insecurities. And trust me. For me, I just don't like having stud friends because it be always a competition. I don't have a lot of male friends because, again, it's something about like some dudes like, and it's not all of them. That's why I say some. They ain't all studs. That's why I say some. Like, dudes will hang with you and be cool with you. It's bothering me how drunk this shirt is, but some dudes will be cool with you. But to a certain extent, like, I used to date, like, when I date and stuff, like, girls will have, like, they friends who will be on their shit with dudes or whatever, and we all get together, and they feel like they can't just have a good time, like, and then you have those ignorant ones that be like, just assume that you like everything that they like because they a boy and you want to be a boy. Samuel, I never said I wanted to be a boy. I am my mother's daughter. Ain't that what that girl said on my dear family union? She slapped her mama. She said, go to hell. Lady May said, I vacation now. Y'all gotta follow with me. Okay, so if y'all know, the mother that played in Medea's family union, she played First Lady on Greenleaf. I always call people by their actor names. Never by their real name. Y'all might mess around and eat this, but real. Not sausage, it's ass or something. It's a buttload of sausages in here. I think I'm gonna eat the last two legs. I call it a day. I feel like I ain't talked about now. But I know I'm gonna keep talking about how drunk this shirt is. Alright. Y'all still watching. Thank you for that. Y'all like, subscribe. If you ain't already did it, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a thumb up in the comments or a thumb down. Tell me why you put that thumbs down. So I can get better. Like, and that's another thing I don't like. I feel like people want to criticize people. I'm sorry, y'all. People want to talk junk about people without criticizing them. Like me, I'm gonna give you pointers. Like, what I think. Y'all, I'm gonna just cut that conversation short. It just hit a nerve. Y'all ever be talking about something and it hit a nerve, so you got to start speaking on something else? Same thing. It's kind of the same thing. Like, this girl got a business, and as consumers, we were saying what would work better for us. That's why checking out on the website and stuff. She completely got mad. Y'all don't know how to run a business, and most definitely don't know how to run a business. Girl, every time somebody say most definitely and they be mad, they take me out. But she was like, most definitely don't know how to run a business on this level. Criticize me, y'all, please, because it's gonna help me. A lot of times people get misconstrued with somebody trying to like talk down on them, and people just trying to give really good criticism and help you. Like, I ain't got to know how to run no business, but as a consumer, this will help me better when I'm checking out of your website. Period. Make me want to come back. How many? I got one little leg, five things of sausages cut up in here. Egg. So I told you I'm gonna eat the egg. Got a handful of shrimp left. Corn. My timer is at 27 minutes. Y'all. It ain't so much that I'm getting full. I'm sitting on the floor. My back's starting to hurt now, y'all. I felt like it was gonna splash. I ain't went in my own eye. And you know what made me mad? When I get crab and ain't no meat in the shell. I don't want no crab with no meat in the shell. One time I had some crab, I cracked through the whole thing, y'all. There was no meat in the shell. I know y'all like, girl, you supposed to have a bad down so you can see your food. I don't need to see. Maybe y'all do, but this ain't my like my one-on-one thing. Like, I'm kind of. Let me see. I'm gonna shrimp for y'all. 1, 2, 3. I sound like a little kid. 1, 2, 3. 6. Oh, you not stack numbers like that. 9, 10, 11. Ooh. 12, 13. Oh wow. 14, 15, 16. Oh wow. Okay, so I got 16 shrimp left. Y'all, a bunch of sausages. Okay, an egg, one little egg, a corn left, and this piece right here. I know y'all like, girl, you know what? Go ahead and eat that. Y'all, stop playing. I might get a little hungry later. And it's raining out here, and I ain't going back out in this weather. And I'm not gonna cook. Not today. What my grandma say? We're gonna play with the Lord. Don't be cooking while it's storming outside. Sit down. Should I eat that leg? I'm gonna eat the last little leg with y'all. Ooh. Cause I know y'all been wanting this little piece right here. So I'm gonna eat the last little leg with y'all. I'm gonna have to clean up my little mess I done made. I don't feel like I drunk nothing. Yeah, I try not to like, that's cause I'm doing a mukbang. I ain't I ain't drunk on purpose because drinking make me full. I'm pretty sure that with everybody, I don't know, but drinking make me full, y'all. Like, it really do. Mm. 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 Y'all like Greenleaf? I hope they get. I don't know if they're gonna get the church back or not, but Phil Dad done came on show y'all. Something going on with Phil. So all I'm say about that, P Valley. Y'all like P Valley? I try to get my best friend on that, but she don't be watching them for real. I like P Valley. And this new season of the Child, we gonna find Keisha. When they gonna find Keisha? Oh. I feel like I had a piece of shell in my mouth. I know it's in there. But anyway, Keisha made me mad, y'all. When she got out and hit that ground, he picked it right on up and left. And I think that is the guy from the pizza parlor when Kevin had hit that dude and the boy put the money in the thing and said, "Stay up, boy." Ronnie's starting to get on my nerve. Ooh, I don't think y'all can see that. That little dangling part. I got to come out of there. That was on accident, y'all. But y'all, my cat looking at me like, is that seafood I smell? Damn. I ain't gonna get out of that hole. Probably because how I bit it. I got too excited. Damn. But yeah, I don't know when they gonna find Keisha. And you heard you find my girl. I don't know how my camera must not be good. It's okay. Oh, look at these gloves, y'all. Raggedy. Put a little sauce on. Well, y'all, that's all my shrimp. I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang, y'all. And like always, like, subscribe, and comment. And some of these gloves really don't do nothing because I still have sauce and stuff in my hand. That's what I have left, y'all. Look, ooh, it's kind of juicy. It's something about the juice from the corn that just sit in the sauce. Wet red. Yeah, y'all, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if y'all need to do it. If I need to do another mukbang, and what I should eat, y'all. Cause I don't be eating out for real. But alright, y'all. Until next time, until the next gathering, family. It's your gay cousin O, and I'm out.